Prince Calen was wandering through a vibrant coral garden one sunny afternoon when he heard a soft melody floating through the water. Intrigued, he followed the sound, swimming past the colorful seaweed and coral until he found the source, a small starfish sitting alone on a rock, singing a gentle but sad tune. "Hello," Calen said kindly. "Your song is beautiful, but why do you sound so sad?" The tiny starfish looked up at him with tears in her eyes. "I want to join the Royal Ocean Choir, but everyone says I'm too small. They tell me my voice isn't loud enough, so I'll never be able to sing with the others." Calen smiled warmly. "That can't be true. Your voice is lovely. Let me help you." Calen thought for a moment, then had an idea. He led the starfish to the royal garden, where large, hollow coral formations created a natural echo chamber. "Sing here," Calen encouraged her. The starfish began to sing, and to her surprise, the coral amplified her voice. The soft, sweet song echoed beautifully throughout the ocean, and it was louder than she had ever imagined. The next day, the starfish auditioned for the Royal Ocean Choir. Thanks to the coral's echo and Calen's help, her voice was heard loud and clear. She was accepted into the choir, and from that moment on, she proudly sang at all of the kingdom's important events. Calen beamed with joy. He realized that being a good prince wasn't just about great adventures or leading, but also about helping others find their place and making sure everyone could shine in their own special way. Lesson for kids. This story teaches kids that everyone has a unique talent, and sometimes all it takes is the right encouragement and a little creativity to help them find their voice. Even if you feel small or unheard, you have something valuable to offer, just like the starfish. 1.